Greetings students. In this lecture, we'll discuss the derivatives of trigonometric and the hyperbolic functions. So let's start with the derivatives of the trigonometric functions. On your screen, we have given you some of the derivatives of the trigonometric functions. Now, to make them easier for you, we have a trick. Note that there is a minus sign in the answer on the derivative of cos, cot, and cosecant. So, a tip to memorize is that all those trigonometric functions which start from the letter C has a minus in the answer. As you can see, the derivative of cos x is minus sine x. And same goes for the derivatives of cosecant x and cot x. We have a minus in the answer. Now you can see that the derivative of sine is cos, of cos is minus sine, the derivative of tan is secant square, while the derivative of cot is minus cosecant square, and minus as it starts with the letter C. The derivative of cosecant x is minus cosecant x multiplied by cot x, while the derivative of secant x is secant x tan x. Now moving on to the derivatives of the hyperbolic functions. The derivative of the hyperbolic functions is same as they are of the trigonometric functions apart from the signs. Unlike simple trigonometric functions, in hyperbolic function, the minus sign comes only with the derivatives of the last three trigonometric functions. That is, cotangent hyperbolic x, cosecant hyperbolic x, and secant hyperbolic x, while the rest is the same. The thing is, these are only formulas. You have to learn them whether you like it or not. What we can do is make these formulas easier for you to learn by telling some tips and tricks. Well, that sums up our topic for today.